Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out 20 of the hottest hair color ideas that you can try this spring season. So here we have this gorgeous chunky highlight look, followed by the dark copper hair color trend. This one features beautiful bangs. Absolutely gorgeous hair color. And then we move on to a fun peekaboo highlight look, complete with money piece highlights. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this bold purple hair coloring mixed with the black. So pretty. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we see another money piece highlight look. This one features more of that contrasting trend, platinum in the front, dark in the back, followed by another orange copper hair color variation. So that is definitely a huge trend that we're going to be seeing this spring. Orange hues, copper, deep reds, this beautiful burgundy variation. So beautiful. A lot of colors that just add some warmth and vibrancy to the complexion. Next up, we see this beautiful bright blonde hair color transformation by Wes Does Hair. One of my favorite hairstyles. He has a lot of very inspiring hair color ideas. So if you're looking for more, definitely check out his Instagram page. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have another money piece highlight look. This one also features the blonde and the black, playing with the contrasting hair color trend. Now, another very popular hair color that we're seeing right now is this grayish ash blonde hair color variation. And then here we have someone rocking gray and black, followed by another ash blonde. And then here we see this beautiful brown color, followed by this rosy pink hue. Next up, we have someone rocking beautiful blonde and black hair. So the stylist did a beautiful pin curled set with this particular look. And this one does feature kind of like the ombre style, black towards the root of the hair and then going to more blonde towards the ends. She's also rocking the layered hair trend. Her strands look super bouncy and beautiful. Great way to add some volume to the hair. Oh, wow. So she went with this blonde. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have that dark red hair color shade, followed by this beautiful purple. So she is also rocking the layered hair look with this particular style, and the color just looks amazing. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.